I'm a side nigga, and I love when she swallow. If a nigga say something, hit him with a hollow. They glizzy, knock your meat at your taco. Flexing on these bitches, they call me Johnny Bravo. School of hard knocks, let me take you to class. My bitch is real skinny, but she got a lot of ass. I love counting money, I get a lot of cash. If you try to take it from me, his toe gon' have a tag. I ain't gon' say too much when the nigga speaking on that hot shit. Fuck the police, cause them bitches ain't gon' stop shit. Opposition's mad, if they play, they get it pop quick. Flies nigga in the game, gauge, I'm a cockpit. Posted on Camelot with 100-something shots. I be swimming with the sharks, little nigga, you a lobster. Police heat a nigga up like he eating on some pasta. And shot out to Kingston, I keep me some rosters. All up in the party, you know we keep them calm. Bang a nigga chills like I work at Baskin.
This is my new IS300 project for the channel, pretty much. So, plans for this, full drift car. If you guys watched before, I do have another Lexus that I was rebuilding, but I'm parting it out. That's where, if this interior looks familiar, that's where it's from. Pulled it out of that one, threw it in here, bought this car gutted. Had no carpet, no rear seats, only pretty much front seats, dash. The car has no rust on the rockers, but it does have a little bit of damage down there. You can see it's pushed in. Has no bumper, different trunk. Plans really is just to turn it into a drift car. All it needs is a diff. Car runs great. Classic Lexus problem, the key is in two different pieces. So I need to buy, I have a new key, I just have to get it cut. 160k miles. Runs amazing. The interior, I just need to clean it up. It's not terrible. Whenever I bought this car, it had no power steering. It had a giant coolant leak. What else? There's way more. Let me pop the hood and I'll show you. Under the hood, cold air intake. Previous owner did all this pretty much. Just put a new radiator in. Did that about a week ago. Just fixed power steering leak. It does have a oil leak. I don't think it's the valve cover gasket. I did fill it up and get oil in the spark plug, so it's running a little funny right now. Long tube headers, catless, obviously. It might be tuned. This is clusterfuck right here, but it might be tuned. The ECU has a date code on it. Doesn't say anything else in that. Just did a new thermostat and everything. Pretty much just did a whole bunch of maintenance shit. It runs really good. It has AC, it's just sometimes it doesn't kick on at all. It runs decent though. If you can hear, I have a vacuum leak. I want to say it's a PCV valve back there, because it just squeaks the whole time. I gotta figure out what's wrong with that, because it's just wobbling back and forth. I want to say it's just a balancer though. It's probably hard to hear me with the squeaking. But overall, it's a decent car. Now, I do need to get the diff either welded or swap it with the LSD. It sounds good idling. The trunk and shit's all fucked. To be honest, it's fucked. What else? The rockers on this side's clean. The back seats are clean. It's honestly not a bad car. It has like, I want to say this is for traction control. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. This is security system. Doesn't fucking work. Keys fucked up, so this door don't lock. What else? That's pretty much everything. It's not that bad of a car. I paid $1,700 for it, 160k miles. I feel like that's a really good deal. I don't really think it was that bad of a deal. I paid $1,700 for it, 160k miles. That's it. Runs really good. It does overheat if it sits for like 30 minutes at a time, which it's been sitting for like 30 minutes. It's not even doing shit yet. I just replaced the radiator, so I think I fixed that. Sunroof leaks. Had it taped off. The tape pretty much melted and left residue everywhere. But I have a new sunroof, so that don't matter. I really just want to make this car look clean or decent, and then fix it up, drift it. I can get it to slide around corners. It drilled and slotted rotors in the rear, not in front, which I have front ones actually. Might throw those on. Nothing really leaks anymore. AC works fine. But yeah, pretty much everything. Now I just got to paint the stuff. I am going to be making videos of me painting the hood and whole front end. I want to make it look decent while I have it. These rims, I have the full set at home. They're Work VS something 2s. It has full catless exhaust. It's quite a shit though. But yeah, that's pretty much everything.
That was fucking scary.